Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to set up a VPN on your iOS. First, what you need to do is go to your settings, which should be on your home screen, but if you can't find it here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right. Now click on App Library, right, Settings, open them, then click on the search bar, right, VPN, VPN and device management, then click on VPN and add VPN configuration. Now here you can change the type, description, server remote ID, local ID, everything. I hope I helped you, and that's it. Bye.